What if you were giving a speech and then in front of you there are a number of people and your speech also going very perfect and well, but suddenly in the middle of the speech you have forgotten everything, every part of your speech? Then what you are gonna do? Or on the another hand, just think that you have gone in a occasion party and in the middle of the occasion someone gives you the mic to speak in English in front of all of them. Now what you are gonna do? In these both situations you have to make the sentences. Yes, you have to make the sentences. And if you can't generate, if you can't make the perfect sentences in this both movements, in this both situation, that you are gonna stand with the mic like that and everyone will laugh at you. So guys, if you don't want to face this type of situation, if you always want to make your own sentences automatically in anywhere, anyhow, with anyone, then this video is important. Now I am speaking with you. It is means that I am generating, I am making all of the sentences in English. Okay, from my brain. Sentence is coming and I am speaking and I am speaking. If you also want to grab this practice, if you also want to grab this process, then guys, welcome in this video. So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. This video is gonna be very important, interesting, beneficial, auspicious and also teachable video, because in this video I am gonna discuss how to make more and more sentences by yourself. Yes guys, if you watch this video till the end and if you can grab all of my advices, then guys, you don't have to watch another videos for to make sentences, because the practice, the advice that I am gonna give you, they are very important, and I am sure with help of them you can make your own sentences. Yes guys, you can make any sentences anyhow, anywhere, with any whom you are giving a speech, you have forgotten your speech, then also with the help of making sentences process you can continue your speech. If someone offers you to give a speech in front of everyone in a sudden, and if you have no any type of preparation, then also with the help of this sentence making process by your own self, it's gonna help you. And everywhere you need to make sentence, I am also speaking with you right now. I am also making the sentences, and also for to explain a story and for to explain an incident. You can't copy them from a book, okay, or from another else. You have to make it. So guys, this thing, a number of people, they understand the English language. Sure everyone who is watching my video right now, they all of them have the stock words and stock sentences, and also have the power to understand the English words, to understand the English language, but they can't speak. Why? Because they can't generate or they can't make their own sentences by using their stock words and stock sentences. So guys, don't worry, I have the solution that I am gonna share with everyone, and they are very important, and they're gonna help you a lot. Yes guys, a lot. So guys, now the thing and also the advice I am gonna tell you, it is not an advice, it is a key to learn the process to make sentences. Yes guys, to make sentences about anything, anyhow, anywhere. Yes, you listen right. So first of all, you need a copy and a pen, and then take anything. Take a subject. Now your subject can be anything, like the house, like your clothes, the sky, the birds, the stars, the trees, the small tree, a big tree, and also my subject is this highlighter. Yes guys, you can see it is a normal highlighter, and also you don't have to choose any particular subject. Anything that comes in front of your eyes, then you can choose. You also can choose me, my clothes, your clothes, anything that you want, and then just make them your subject and write down a number of sentences. Yes guys, normal sentences. Just write down that about the highlighter, about your subject. Like my subject is my highlighter, that's why I am gonna write first of all some sentences about the highlighter. Okay, so this highlighter color is yellow and black. This highlighter has a very beautiful ink. This highlighter helps us to highlight everything. This highlighter can highlight everything. This type of many sentences as you can write. You just write first of all them. Yes, anything about the tree, then just write down this tree is very beautiful. It has the green leaves, and also a number of things. Need to take care about your grammar rules also. Like my highlighter or my subject is third person singular. Yes, when I am you, we are talking about the highlighter. That's why you and I have to use here the third person singular, means the has, and also the S words, like this tree has green leaves. The flowers are so beautiful of the tree. First of all, you can make some two list of the sentences. First list will be all of the sentences about the tree, and then about the works, like how the tree helps us, how it just everything you have to write. With the anything, any subject you can take and just write them. Decide what they're gonna do, and then while you will do this practice every day, 20 more 20 like minute in the morning, 20 minutes in the evening, then you are gonna watch the benefits. They are so important, and this practice is so strong. So guys, I will recommend to everyone that it is the first thing that we have to do to make sentence quickly. Like the best thing that I will tell you, that write with a one subject. If you always change your subject one by one, then it also will be helpful. But if you works on one sentence, then it will be more helpful. Okay, so first you are gonna write the normal sentences about the subject, but after writing all of the sentences, you are gonna go deeper and deeper, and as much deep you will go, you will learn a lot. You will learn a lot. So just remember this thing. And you also are facing, and also if you are traveling by this practice, also if you also can't make your sentences, if you can't write the sentences, then also I have a solution. Don't worry. What the thing that you have to do, that first write the sentences in your mother tongue. Yes, first write in your mother tongue. I also did this, and nowadays also I do, always I do, like write all of the sentences in your mother tongue first, and then give it a gap, and then under the mother tongue, under the line, just make the English word, and also it will be very helpful. My second advice is also so important for everyone, that always remember this thing, that for to make sentence we need a very important thing. This thing is words. If you don't have a package of stock words, then you can't use them while speaking, and also you can't use them to make a sentence also. And I always just say to everyone that for the basic things, that for the basic stock words, stock sentences, story is the best way. Yes guys, this story is very workable, helpful, and also it is gonna beneficial for you. So read the story, and after reading it, just copy it. Yes, copying is a very big art, and if you can capture the art, then it will be very helpful. I just read a number of stories, and after reading all of them, I copied them, and I explained, and I spoke to them. So always remember, first, you also can't explain a story as I explain, because for to explain you need the power to make sentences. Okay, so first of all, you have to copy the sentence, all of the sentence one by one, and then just speak all of them. Okay, just remember this thing. And it is not the big stories, another stories, it is the normal stories. Like short moral story will be the very big helps to you. And also the another thing is like class 1, class 2 stories. Okay, just read first of all them, and then try to speak something. So when you will read a story 20-30 more times, then it means that you copied the story. And after copied, just remove your book in front of yourself, and then speak the story in front of the mirror. It can be in front of the camera also, it can be. And the most beneficial tip is explain or speak the story in front of someone, then it will be very helpful. Just do this, and then one day try to explain it. Okay, I also started my journey, started reading and copying the story from class 2, and I also remember then in class 5 I explained my first story. Yes, I explain my first story, means I make the story, and also I speak the story by my own words. So guys, just remember, you need patience, and also the stories is very big helper to you. So guys, thank you for watching. This video is end here, and I know that everyone learned a lot from the video. So guys, please subscribe. We also need your support. Our channel is about to touch the 2K. So guys, everything is in your hand. Just support me and give a supportive comment. Please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, and like this video. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video with another topic. So bye bye.